For the first method, head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings, click on it. Once you're on it, click on other troubleshooters, and then under other, you're going to have a troubleshoot called power. For me, I'm on a computer so it doesn't say, but on the laptop it will say power. When you see it, click on run, and then see if that fixes the problem. For the second method, head over to search and type in edit power plan. Once you're on it, click on power options, and then you want to change your power plan. So just try high performance, see if that works. If you don't have high performance, head over to create a power plan, and then you might have it here, and then click on next, follow all the steps. If that's still not working, then you could just go back to balanced or whatever is on before. For the third method, right click on the Windows Start icon, then head over to device manager. Once you're on it, you're going to have batteries right here. I don't have it because I'm on computer, but you're going to have batteries. Once you see it, just expand it, and then you want to right click on Microsoft AC adapter, and then you want to click on update driver. Once you do that, search automatically for drivers. If it says you have the best driver installed, we're going to close this out, and then you want to right click on it, and then it will say uninstall. You want to click on uninstall, and then once you uninstall it, restart your laptop, and then head back into device manager, click on action, and then click on scan hardware changes, and it will appear again, and the problem will be fixed.